Hello traders. I missed this trade at 46.1275. Was on the phone. I just missed it. But the good thing is that there's another trade happening on the Trade Scalper right now at 46.0950. That's the Trade Scalper software indicating to go short once again at 46.0950. To me, this is a good trade. I'm not going to miss out on this one. The one thing that I don't want to do is chase the market. So for those of you who have the Trade Scalper software, if you happen to miss a trade, we have a lot of signals, a lot of trades. Try to get the exact price or within a tick or two. Don't chase the market, right?
Order filled.
The software is there to give you a very specific and exact price or better, but it's not intended for you to chase it. So please try to get the best fill possible using the Trade Scalper software. 46.0950 is my entry to go short. And I'm short. I'm in. I'm speeding up the video here a little bit just to save some time so you guys don't have to waste your time looking at this. These are minute charts, minute candles. So every candle you're seeing is a minute. I'm adjusting my target to about 2 points because that's what the ATR is, 2 points. And as you know, I try to focus on price action. How much target can I get out of this trade? How am I going to manage my stops? They are based off of the current conditions. So 2 points, as you can see on that blue line, is the ATR. And I'm using that as my guide for how much movement in distance the market can make. That's my goal. So now this is going in my favor. If you're looking at what 2 points happens to be, it's $50
Target
a point.
filled.
Or $100. So one contract would be $100. If you're looking at 5 contracts, it would be $500, and so on and so on. That's how you do the math when it comes to the E-mini S&P. This is the entry, and here is the exit. So this is really the first trade that I took here this morning. I had a busy morning with a few students, so I couldn't get a chance to trade. Now you're going to see another trade, the one right after this, and here we go. So right after I took that trade to go short, another one popped up, 46.06 quarter. I don't want to chase it. I want to try to get exactly 46.06 quarter or within a tick. Those of you who have the Trade Scalper software have the same exact signal, so we're all on the same page. Now the idea is looking at the current conditions, about 2 points, 2.5 points. That's our goal as a profit target is concerned. You're going to also use that to manage your stops. So we know exactly what we're getting into before we jump into this trade. And remember, trading is risky. So if the market is too volatile, try not to
Order submitted.
trade when it's chaotic. If the market is normal or too slow to trade, you may want to increase your number of contracts. But really the idea is look at the current conditions. It's price action. Don't overcomplicate it. Place the order, limit order or market if touched order, wait to be filled. Once you're filled, you manage the trade. So it should be something that you understand in advance, everything that's involved. Now, once you're filled on this trade, remember, I'm going to keep this entry or this order to try to enter into the market. I'm not going to chase it. So that's really important. We're not chasing the entries or the trades. 46.06 quarter is what I'm after. Once you enter into the market, again, we're not holding on to these trades for hours on end. It's scalping. Scalping is usually quicker. We want to make sure the target is made within the next 5 minutes, 10 minutes tops. Usually, I tell everybody, look how many candles plot. So if you're looking at a 1 minute chart and you're already in it 5 minutes,
Order filled.
which is 5 candles, that's enough time to say, are we going to hold on to this or it's time to move forward and look for another opportunity. Let me get out of the trade. So don't hold on to trades. We're entering for a very specific reason, and that result that I want should happen sooner rather than later. So time-based stops are very important.
Target filled.
That is the target. I'm out of the trade. I know some of you may hold on to it and trail a stop. Fantastic. You can go ahead and do that at the moment. I'm not. I'm just going to get out of this trade. 5 contracts, about 2 points, and I'm finished. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.